Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe update today. And Pepe, on the daily time frame is something that I'm interested to see. Now click on the top right of your screen here to enter Discord. Our Discord is opened up for entries. I need you guys here. I want this community to grow a little bit more. So if you're watching Pepe, it's just a tap and you can click on that. That would be really wonderful to see you in there. It's free, totally free. Now the thing is that I kind of have to say one thing. The hammer is maintained. 2 days ago, I talked about this hammer on the daily, and it has been maintained ever since. So you went down, yes, there was a red candle next to it, but you can see that today you've made an inverted hammer, which is pretty much a reversal candle to go back up. This hammer itself is also a reversal candle to go back up. So as long as you're not going to be taking probably, even if instead of 10,000, let's just say down here at 11,199, right? So if you do come down like this, maybe that could be a little bit of a problem because you invalidate this hammer, you invalidate this inverted hammer, you take the stop losses as well, and that may be a little bit of a problem. Now the fact that you do have these 2 wicks also can be an issue because a lot of stop losses are set next to this wicks and they could be taken, flushed down away, maybe just make another wick, bigger one, and then start to fly back in. And yesterday I told you that 20 days on average it takes for Pepe to make a move. 20 days on average, or 16 days, okay? 16 to 20 days is the average. So far we've spent nearly 17 days, so we do have 3 more days. Within the next 3 days we should know where the move is. Now unfortunately, when you talk about 3 days left, that is nearly 24th of December. Today's 21, which also takes you nearly the Christmas time. And I told you before that probably you have to be very careful during the Christmas time. Now, just because I say this doesn't really mean Christmas it's meant to really dump or something, but there's a psychology. The reason why behind it is because the whole world in general really need their profit out of crypto or any other asset, from stock or forex as well, to go and celebrate their festival. The thing is that during that time, I don't know what's going to happen, honestly. If we do pump, not maybe we do, could be wrong, totally wrong, we start to go to the upside, because on an average now it doesn't really look like December may be bad. It just doesn't look like that. Okay, considering that after 20 days you do get a move to the upside and you're also trying to hold this bullish rectangle right here, it actually possibly could mean that, during the December time we may start to see a push to the upside as well. So let's see what happens. 3 more days and then we're going to see what happens. Maximum 3 days, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.